So, I only met, although I met Srila Prabhupada's devotees in 1967, I only met Srila Prabhupada personally in 1968 in Montreal. At that time there was already 3 temples, one in New York, one in San Francisco, and one in Montreal. There was talk about opening a center in Los Angeles. Umapati or someone had come here to check out a few places. And he said there's a good prospect for a temple in Los Angeles. People here were favorable to such a move. So I can't say from any personal experience before that time. What happened, of course, we have all heard. Even before the biography, we've heard many things. From Srila Prabhupada himself and from his letters and other devotees. How sometimes his effects were stolen, how sometimes he was beaten, how sometimes he was intimidated, how sometimes he was befriended, how sometimes he was favored, how sometimes he was neglected, how sometimes he felt frustrated that the progress was going on too slow. But if Srila Prabhupada didn't have that patience, there were so many followers of Bhakti Siddhanta, there were so many Gaudiya Vaishnavas, there are so many Vaishnavas, there are so many Sanatan Dharmis and Hindus. But had Srila Prabhupada had that one saintly transcendental citizen of India not come to this land to preach this Krishna conscious movement, then we shudder to think what should have been our fate today, lost in this dark pit of this material world, without a glimmer of hope, just like the multimillionaire standing outside his house. Bhavananda Goswami and Achyutananda Swami, I may have the name incorrect, the Hollywood Hills or something, yesterday were caught on fire. And they were watching the big houses, one after another, big 100-foot flames going up. It was a big event. And the rich people, they're standing with their hose trying to keep the roof wet. The flame just devours the house. So like that, we are thinking, oh, I will solve all my problems. I have so many plans. But we would have simply been devoured by the fire of this material world, which is still waiting to devour us anytime we turn our face away from Krishna. But there actually was no hope. Srila Prabhupada has given us our lives. His devotees are preaching and still giving us and so many others their lives. So this is Srila Prabhupada's gift